Welcome to Preserving Your Memories with me, Rebecca Whalen, librarian here at Lakeland Public Library. Most families today have a lifetime of personal papers, photographs, and other materials stored away, some families more than others. If the task of sorting through this scenario just makes you want to throw it all away, stop now because we can help. This ongoing video series will guide you through the steps of personal archiving at home. Today's topic is preservation and creating ideal storage conditions for your materials. Let's get started. Best practices established by professional curators, archivists, and librarians entail storing your collection in an environment that protects it from light, heat, humidity, and other elements. This means your garage, attic, or utility shed are not the kind of places you want your collection to be. Exposure to these conditions can hasten the demise of your materials. You also want to consider keeping the collection elevated off the floor in case of water intrusion. Metal products such as paper clips, staples, and binder clips are great for keeping things together, but over time will deteriorate or rust, permanently staining your documents. Remove all metal binders as gently as possible. If you have a set of papers that need to be kept together, use a folder to contain them or plastic clips, which are available in many stores. If you have artifacts that are made of or contain metal, make sure they are not stored in plastic. Plastic can trap moisture, which will cause the metal objects to rust. Metal artifacts can be wrapped in paper, placed in an envelope, stored in cardboard boxes, or wrapped in cloth to help protect them. Other things you should watch out for to remove include rubber bands and adhesive tape. Both can be detrimental to your collection. Create a barrier of protection for your items by using boxes. Be sure they are lidded to keep out light and dust. Cardboard banker-style boxes are a good and economical choice. Plastic containers or totes offer additional protection. Shoe-style boxes come in plastic or cardboard. Archival boxes are available in many sizes and styles. Binders hold photographs or papers which have been inserted into sleeves. Containers can hold many different things, so be sure that smaller items are cared for and preserved using folders and sleeves. When choosing products to use in your collection, look for items that are marked as acid and lignin-free, products that are marked as archival quality or great picks. These items can be obtained at most supply stores and some craft stores. Creating a barrier for items includes using folders, keep like materials together, envelopes, secure smaller items inside, protective sheets for documents, photographs, slides, and negatives. In addition, desiccation packets can be very helpful in controlling moisture in your collection. These are the little silica packets you find in some new products. Place the packets into each container and replace as needed. They have a shelf life of 4 to 12 months. So how do you take care of items that are very fragile? Create a preservation barrier using static mylar or a mylar sleeve is one suggestion for large or unusually sized items. Or you can add a plastic sleeve with a bit of help by using cardboard or folder backing so it can slip in without causing more harm. Some paper materials like newspaper clippings do not age well, and newsprint and ink transfers onto other paper products. So use a single sheet of paper in between to keep them separated, like this correspondence. If you find a paper document that is in poor condition, consider making a photocopy of this item so the information it contains is not lost. Keep the original item in a protective sleeve and then use the photocopy for future handling. Items like this are excellent candidates for digitization. Find a storage system that works best for your collection, which can be modified as your needs change. The better storage you provide, the longer your materials will remain viable. Everything degrades over time, but with these suggestions, you can help slow this down significantly. Lakeland Public Library is here to assist you with your individual questions regarding preservation of materials. Reach out to staff at the Lakeland History Room, home of the DIY Digitized Personal Archiving Lab.